Alright guys, the journey is on, being in Middletown, and hopefully we'll be able to, to arrive in time. But it's a great road. This is Kampala Road, one of the busiest and the biggest roads in Kampala city, as you may happen to see all around here. Okay. Yeah, I mean guys, around the city you find there's some kind of renovation taking place. From the other side you have Church House, Bank of Baroda. Still here at Kampala Road, which is the main road here in Kampala city. Well developed, connects you to Jinja Road that takes you to the eastern side of Uganda. Yeah, so I was able to support this guy. I bought glass from him. I always like supporting people who sell stuffs on the street. It's a pleasure. Yeah. So,
you know these scenes, like that scene we just had.
Yeah.
Those are the shots that make the video.
Yeah, very important. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So, which street is this here, Kasim?
This is Entebbe Road.
Okay.
Actually, the famous Entebbe Road starts from right here.
Oh.
Yeah, it starts off Kampala Road and then goes up to Entebbe.
And I think it's even important, we could take this street, I think, because the flyover was purposely made to help to decongest the town.
Yes. And
the biggest traffic was coming from Entebbe Road.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because now the Kampala Flyover project, the biggest road that is crossing through the flyover is Kampala Entebbe Road.
Yes.
This very road which gets off Kampala Road.
Oh.
Yeah. So this is the very point why the flyover was constructed.
Exactly. So we take off here?
Yeah, we should cross and go to the other side.
Okay.
We should cross from there.
We cross from this side where we have zebra crossing? Yeah. Welcome to Kampala, guys. It's very important that we connect with humans and connect with people. Hello, how are you? Good. Oh yeah, are we safe here? How are you? Good. Yeah. Okay, so let's cross this road. This side you can find Victoria University and other important services. It's quite dangerous crossing the road, but we have nothing to do than to keep doing what we're supposed to do. Yeah. Suits Avenue, one of the famous kind of places to find suits. Yeah. Hello. How are you? Yeah, yes.
Introduce yourself.
Introduce yourself. You are the one to introduce yourself.
Yeah. Kamanasi.
Yes. Hey, very good.
That is just a nickname.
Yeah, nickname Kamanasi.
So where is your stage?
My stage?
Yes.
I'm Lodi Mayor Elias Lukwago.
Well,
yeah, I'm Lodi Mayor
Yes.
Elias Lukwago.
Yes.
Now, what are you doing?
We are showcasing the beauty of Kampala.
Which country are you from?
We are from Uganda.
Which district, which region?
We are from Kampala.
Which side? Where is your origin? Where are you born? Where is your grandmother? What? Because I need to know. Maybe when you this camera, when you do, because when you when you photo me,
Yes.
you can sell my video. What now? What are you doing?
You are very right.
Yes.
Let him tell you.
I like Peter for being very honest.
Yeah.
So Peter, do you have like a social media app, like maybe that I can send you the video later and you're able to see yourself? You may like what you're going to see about yourself.
So far right now,
Yeah.
right now I'm not in Sheba. I'm still in Cindy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't have a smartphone, that's what you meant?
No, you remember,
No,
you remember
it's
the battle that was between Sheba and Cindy?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Cindy was for
Cindy
analog.
was Nokia,
Yes.
Shiba Samsung.
Yeah, Sheba Samsung, yeah.
Okay.
He's a very stubborn guy.
That's why you see that.
Yeah.
This world,
Yes.
you just eat leaves only and you live. Tuliako makola.
Hey, Muliako Makola. And then you leave.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
Mr. Kamanas.
All right, thanks a lot
Thank
for your
you.
time, eh? You're a very good guy.
Soda for 1,000. You're smart, me, I'm not but I request I'm not just working, but because I make you funny.
Yes.
Thank you. Am I funny?
I might have a coin. If I find a note of 1,000, I'll give you.
Even 50,000.
No way.
Now, why do you want to give me condolence when I'm
No.
done?
All the money that I have is this. So let me give you 1,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, in Jamaica, they say, "Awunyam let them chicken them sit there."
Yeah.
Thank you, brother. May God give you back. Awunyam let them chicken they sit there.
After that, the boy. One
My
love.
brother, you give me your business card. You never know. You may get some little smartphone.
Yeah.
That's all this for me here.
Yeah.
No, those things of comedy overdo.
Yes.
You don't have someone can inspire.
Yes.
I didn't move with a business card. I just wanted to do something.
Maximum respect.
Yeah, just check our channels. This channel is called Okelo George Enoch.
Okelo from where?
Yeah. Okelo he lives in Kampala now. Yeah, Okelo from Teso.
Yeah.
Ejo kuna bia ibojo.
Oh, you see now?
Aibodi butorijo.
Amaranga twana lopingire chitingi na
Pingire mami nera serere. Engolo bugondo. Serere ne pene.
Ngatoka ndejo serere keda bugondo we are the same.
Yeah, that's the same district.
Dika silo.
Aha, bugondo. Dije ndo kwa nijo ngina. Yarama.
Papa ifanya babamba.
Papa aofupa.
Yarama ndo na.
Yarama.
Nyebi soma test.
Yeah, just as some abora video na content. Yeah. That guy can all go.
Even if you go to KBS,
Yeah.
if the channel landlord after
Yes.
those Alisani wongona kware,
Yes.
uta Nigeria girl.
Yes.
I tried the Apolia.
Yes.
Mwenye sirikile potio. Mwenye jala mina say why don't you go back but I have to money.
Yeah. You know, it says is good at comedy and skits.
Oh,
He's even participated in some comedy that is in KBS TV.
oh.
Yeah. Yes. Mamekoto bakrona koko. Mamache. Yala mano ipita. Okelo. Okelo George Enoch. Yeah. YouTube kera iduma nene. Okay. Yeah. She can recognize you now.
It is now like 5 years.
Okay, so the other one is NSSF house, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you can keep down. All right, fam, so we're still walking down, you know, trying to get over to the Kampala Flyover project. This is a design for weddings. Wow, this is great, guys. This is really great here. Awesome. Yeah. That is beautiful. So weddings in this country tend to be very expensive. Guys really injected a lot of money, you know, trying to get the best of the wedding. And what you've seen is a glimpse of such luxurious weddings in the country. So on my left, we shall have a university called Isibat, and it's also the area where we have the station for the railway. Then on our right, we're going to have a road to the famous Owino market, and it's quite a busy area. This place has been improved. If you look at the road here is really very okay, well improved now. and it's very, very nice. I think I should commend the development which is taking shape in this particular area. Very great. Okay. So down takes you to downtown, and then we're still staying on Kampala Road, and shortly we should be able to branch off to the flyover. Not so far from here. It's quite very, very near. So, all right, this side we have the famous NASA Road, where you see this big truck coming from. And then for the other side, you've got Nkrumah Road, is this one here. It's also quite a big street where you have the Freedom Building, the Casino Kampala, and takes you also to the other side of Kampala Road, which is leading to Jinja. And then this other side, we have the heart of Kampala is this side. So, and then for this other area, we have got the Market Street. So this is the journey we're going to take down, and I hope we'll be able to move freely. Of course, sometimes the security tends to stop us, but we are not doing anything bad for the country. All we are saying is this is Uganda, and this is Kampala, which happens to be the city or the capital city of Uganda. This city, with the recent statistics, has got about 2 million now in estimate for population, and is a city that never sleeps. It's a city that keeps moving. There's a lot of business taking place in this area. If you're a person who loves engaging with people, there are many people here to engage with in this city. Yeah, this is Eastbat University on this end. Yeah. So we are trekking down to the flyover. A great journey to the flyover. Yeah, I mean the road is complete now. Used to be not complete for some time, but it's really complete for now. Very, very complete, and still very risky, I would say, to walk down here. But it's very safe for a person like me, who is used to moving on street, getting content, and trying to make sure that a lot of people are able to see the beauty of this area here. Okay. The public toilets are here, so you don't have to struggle if you want to ease yourself. Enter the road. We are already a few meters away from the flyover. Let me see you right there. Yeah. So the flyover starts from here. I think we go. On my background, this side is the famous Kampala Flyover project, which is the biggest flyover in Uganda and also in Kampala city. From this side, you've got Ben Chiwanuka Street that takes you to the side of downtown. And then the other side, you've got Nachivubo Street, which takes you to Nachivubo Stadium. And then we apparently have the biggest Hindu church, this one here. So the $200 million project starts from here. And we are going to move closely to be able to look at the pedestrian walkway and then also move to the center or to Queen's Way. Welcome to this bigger, great project. It's a special achievement in the country. From this side, you have got the city area is this side. This is another Hindu church right up this side. And the other side, you've got the biggest, the famous Gaddafi Mosque right there. That's the minaret which is up. And we came from this side, so let's take a tour, walk around and see. Hello, how are you? How are you? Good. Yeah, so from this side we have the Queen's Way, which I'm going to closely move and be able to show you. Yeah, but just to remind you, this is a pedestrian walkway that we are in for now. We have another pedestrian walkway the other side, and then we find the heart of this flyover. A project that was rolled out or started in December 2018 and was projected to get done in December 2022, which could not happen in 2022 because of COVID. It affected the project. However, the first phase is fully functional and complete right now. You can see the great impact it's creating in the community and how it is transformed the city of Kampala. This project has really transformed the city of Kampala. Well transformed, and it's now a city like never before. Yeah, worth it for you to, when you come to Uganda, when you come to Kampala, you need to be able to check it out. A project like this is playing a key role in creating order and decongesting town. And if we could have more of these projects, I would really appreciate if this video reaches to the government official. Remember, we need more of these projects. So this side you have the cars passing down, and then here is fully the pedestrians, which are guarded. These things can shield them and keep them away, or keep the cars away from crossing. Of course, we've got some vendors around, people selling. Not sure. This is the clock tower on this end. Oh. That side goes to Busabala, Chibuye, and Entebbe. This is a clock tower.
Everywhere I look, there are mango. This is the only thing left. What one? Oh,
Yeah, quite a beaches area of the flyover. So there's a down shot, but also we can climb up from here. So apparently standing down is the underpass, and then from this side you have got Arena Mall, the second futuristic mall in Kampala city. I'm very sure you've been able to have chance to look at Acacia Mall that I've taken you before. And so what is important for me is not just to show you the mall, which is of course nice. I'll be able to take you in, but to give you the look of this flyover. Like when you're here, it's very, very complete, very nice. The other side, it's coming from Entebbe. Down the other end, it's coming from Entebbe. And then this side, you're able to see the city, which is very complete. The city is very, very complete from the other end. Everything is here, the markings, well demarcated, well marked. The city starts from all that preview. So just to bring to your attention about this flyover was made with a purpose to decongest the city area, which is town, because we have got what they call the city intended traffic and the city go through traffic. So the city intended traffic would be the traffic that is just coming to pass by the city and they would go. And then the city intended traffic is the traffic that is literally coming to settle in the city. And that is what this flyover is meant to do, to take that traffic which is just coming to pass by the city, to take them away from the city, and then to allow the traffic which is coming to settle in the city to be able to arrive and settle in the city. And so the city intended traffic is the traffic that is meant to go to to downtown or to areas within the city. And then the city go through traffic is this traffic that was intending to go to areas like, Kabalagala, rather Nakawa, the areas of maybe Jinja, all around that. But you can see the great development in this flyover. Flowers are planted here, and the flyover looks very, very great. It comes from the other side, and it's completely transformed the outlook of Kampala, Uganda. Down is the underpass, and it's a great thing to see happening in this area. I want to believe that we are going to have more of these kind of projects coming in the country, because it's really playing a very key role in the country of Uganda. To me, the development of this flyover is very essential, and it's taking great shape for the country and changing the city to become a very smart city. So congratulations, and I want to appreciate the government for this kind of innovation in the country, and also I want to believe that the government is looking forward to having more of these kind of projects within the country. This is going to change the outlook of our city and other places within the country. So let's have a look at from Arena Mall and be able to see the view of the flyover. Thank you. I remain Okello George Enoch, and I want to encourage you to hit the word subscribe in this channel.